Hey guys, this is Dylan and Nair here at Vernon Toyota. Hope you're having a good day. We just took in this 2017 TRD Sport Off-Road in the magnetic gray color. One of the more favorite colors of the Tacoma lineup. We currently have this vehicle listed for $42,995. And this vehicle also has roughly 73,300 kilometers on it. The TRD Off-Road Tacoma comes equipped with a 5-foot bed box, and this one is specifically a double cab, so the bigger back seat for the Tacoma. I'm gonna go ahead and take you to the inside of the vehicle. This truck has power windows, power locks. You got your watt converter with your rear sliding window. You've got your large display screen with your full Bluetooth, heated seats. The Off-Road also has a crawl control and rear locking diff. As you can see, they kept this vehicle in very clean shape. Take it to the back. Where you can see again, everything's very clean. This vehicle does come with a second set of mats. The Tacomas do fold down their seats as well for a hard rubber top in case you want to put your pet on top of that instead of these cloth seats to keep them clean, which is a very nice feature to have. As you can see, this is the 5-foot bed box. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down. Slow drop gate. All right, guys, so as I said, my name is Dylan and Nair here at Vernon Toyota. My cell phone number is 250-307-0464. These Tacomas are not lasting long on our lot, so if you're something you're interested in, please come down and inquire on it. Until then, have yourself a good day. Thanks, guys.